Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will practice reading sentences with rhyming words. Now you may be wondering, what are rhyming words? These are words with the same ending sound. Are you ready to learn about rhyming words? Then let's read. Say the words after me. The rat is in the hat. Now it's your turn to read. Say the words as you see the red dot under it. The rat is in the hat. Listen to the ending sound of these words well. Rat, hat. Do rat and hat rhyme? Yes, they do. Rat and hat are rhyming words. Repeat after me. There is a bug in the mug. Now it's your turn. There is a bug in the mug. Listen to the ending sound of these words. Bug, mug. Do bug and mug rhyme? Yes, they do. Bug and mug are rhyming words. Repeat after me. Ben is in the lab. Now it's your turn to read the words. Ben is in the lab. Listen to the ending sounds of these words well. Ben, lab. Do Ben and lab rhyme? No, they don't. Ben and lab do not have the same ending sound. Repeat what I say. The pet is stuck in a net. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. The pet is stuck in a net. Listen to the ending sound of these words well. Pet, net. Do pet and net rhyme? Yes, they do. Pet and net are rhyming words. Copy what I say. The mill is on the hill. Now it's your turn. The mill is on the hill. Listen to the ending sounds of these words well. Mill, hill. Do mill and hill rhyme? Yes, they do. Mill and hill are rhyming words. Say the words after me. Jack has a new top. Now it's your turn to say the words. Jack has a new top. Listen to the ending sound of these words. Jack, top. Do Jack and top rhyme? No, they don't. Jack and top are not rhyming words. Repeat the words. Jen has a red pen. Now it's your turn. Jen has a red pen. Listen to the ending sounds of these words well. Jen, pen. Do Jen and pen rhyme? Yes, they do. Jen and pen are rhyming words. Repeat the words. Ned naps on the bed. Now it's your turn to say the words. Ned naps on the bed. Listen to the ending sounds of these words. Ned, bed. Do Ned and bed rhyme? Yes, they do. Ned and bed are rhyming words. Repeat what I say. It is fun to hop. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. It is fun to hop. Listen to the ending sound of these words well. Fun, hop. Do fun and hop rhyme? No, they don't. Fun and hop do not have the same ending sound. Say the words after me. The pot is hot. Now it's your turn. The pot is hot. Listen to the ending sound of these words well. Pot, hot. Do pot and hot rhyme? Yes, they do. Pot and hot are rhyming words. Repeat the words. Vic has a big pig. Now it's your turn. Vic has a big pig. Listen to the ending sound of these words. Big, pig. Do big and pig rhyme? Yes, they do. Big and pig are rhyming words. Repeat the words. The pups are in the box. Now it's your turn to read the words. The pups are in the box. Listen to the ending sounds of these words. Pup, box. Do pup and box rhyme? No, they don't. Pup and box are not rhyming words. Great job, everyone! Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe.